Daily English Conversations. 1. Greetings and introductions. Hi, my name is Alice. What's your name? Hi Alice, I'm Bob. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Bob. How's your day going? It's going well, thank you. What about yours? My day has been pretty good so far. I just got off work. Oh, where do you work? I work at a nearby bookstore. And you? I'm a teacher at the local elementary school. That's great! What grade do you teach? I teach the 4th grade. It's a lot of fun. 2. At the grocery store. Excuse me, could you please tell me where I can find the cereal? Sure, the cereal is in aisle 5, next to the granola bars. Great, thank you. Oh, and where can I find the milk? The milk is in the dairy section, near the back of the store. Thanks for your help. By the way, do you know if they have any fresh strawberries? Yes, they do. You can find them in the produce section near the entrance. Perfect, I appreciate your assistance. Have a great day. You too. Enjoy your shopping. 3. Making plans with friends. Hey, Bob! Would you like to go to the movies with me this weekend? That sounds great! What movie do you want to see? How about The Adventure Begins? I've heard it's a great action film. Sounds good to me. What time should we meet? Let's meet at the movie theater around 7 p.m. Is that fine for you? Yes, that works for me. Do you want to grab dinner before the movie? Great idea! There's a new Italian restaurant nearby that we could try. Perfect! Let's meet at the restaurant at 5:30 p.m. then. Sounds like a plan. I'll see you on Saturday, Bob. See you then, Alice. I'm looking forward to it. 4. Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me find the nearest subway station? Sure, just walk 2 blocks down the street, and you'll see the entrance on your left. Thank you! Do you know which line I should take to get to Central Park? Yes, take the green line towards Uptown, and get off at the Central Park station. Thanks! How long does it usually take to get there? It should take around 15 minutes, depending on the train schedule. Alright, I appreciate your help. Have a great day! You too! Enjoy your visit to Central Park! 5. At a coffee shop. Hi! Can I have a medium cappuccino, please? Sure, would you like any extra shots of espresso in that? No, thank you. Just the regular cappuccino is fine. Alright, and would you like any pastries or sandwiches to go with your coffee? Yes, I'd like a chocolate croissant, please. Great choice! Your total comes to $7.50. Here you go! Thanks! Thank you! Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Enjoy your coffee and croissant. 6. Talking about the weather. Hey Bob, have you seen the weather forecast for this weekend? Hi Alice, yes, I did. It's supposed to be sunny and warm. That's great! I was thinking of going for a picnic in the park. Would you like to join me? That sounds like a lovely idea. What time should we meet? How about 1 p.m. on Saturday? We could meet at the park entrance. Perfect! I'll bring some sandwiches and drinks. Is there anything else you'd like me to bring? Maybe some fruit and chips? I'll bring a blanket and some plates. Great! I'm looking forward to our picnic. See you on Saturday. See you then, Bob. Have a great day. 7. Discussing hobbies. Hey Alice, what do you like to do in your free time? Hi Bob, I enjoy reading, hiking, and painting. How about you? I like playing soccer, cooking, and listening to music. Have you always been into painting? Yes, I've been painting since I was a child. It's a great way for me to relax and express myself. That's awesome! I've always wanted to learn how to paint. Do you have any tips for beginners? Sure! Start with basic techniques and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice makes perfect. Thanks, Alice. I'll definitely give it a try. Maybe we can paint together sometime? I'd love that! Let's plan a painting session soon! 8. At the gym. Hey Bob, how's your workout going? Hi Alice, it's going well. I just finished a 30-minute run on the treadmill. How about you? I just finished a yoga class. It was really refreshing. Do you ever take any group classes here? Yes, I occasionally join the spinning classes. They're intense but fun. Have you tried them? No, I haven't, but I've been meaning to give it a shot. When's the next class? There's one tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. Would you like to join me? Sure, that sounds great! I'll meet you at the spinning studio tomorrow then. Awesome! See you tomorrow, Alice! Enjoy the rest of your workout! 9. At the library. Hey Alice, what are you looking for at the library today? Hi Bob, I'm looking for a mystery novel to read. Any recommendations? Have you read The Silent Witness by Jane Smith? It's one of my favorite mystery books. No, I haven't. I'll definitely check it out. Thanks for the recommendation. You're welcome. I think you'll enjoy it. Let me know what you think once you've read it. Will do! What are you planning to borrow today? I'm looking for a new cookbook. I want to try some new recipes. That sounds fun! Enjoy your new cookbook, and happy cooking! Thanks, Alice! Have a great day and happy reading! 10. Discussing travel plans. Hey Bob, are you planning any vacations this year? Hi Alice, I'm actually planning a trip to Italy next month. I'm really excited! That sounds amazing! What cities are you planning to visit? I'll be visiting Rome, Florence, and Venice. Have you been to Italy before? Sure! I've been to those places and I love them! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up!